Hey everyone! Welcome to the AudiFab channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily convert music with AudiFab Music 1. It works with Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, Tidal Music, YouTube Music, Deezer, Pandora, and more. You can save songs as MP3, AAC, WAV, ALAC, FLAC, or AIFF, all in high quality. Once downloaded, you can play them on any device. Super simple. Let's start with AudiFab on Windows. Open AudiFab Music 1 on your computer. Select the music app you want. Don't see it? Scroll down and click Add Other Sources to enter the website yourself. In this demo, we'll choose Spotify, App Mode. Drag and drop a playlist from Spotify into AudiFab. Or click the Click to Add button on the page. Pick songs you want and click Add. Click the Settings button. Choose Output Format, Quality, and Speed. Set the output folder. Customize file names and organization. Choose to save lyrics or not. Click Convert to begin. It'll be done in no time. When it's done, the folder will pop up. You can also check history on the left. Click the folder icon next to a song to find it. AudiFab also has podcasts and radio. Toolbox includes stuff like AAX converter, format converter, CD burner, audio editor, tag editor, and AI splitter. For more handy music tips, check out the AudiFab channel. If this video helps, give it a like and hit subscribe.